This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new publication from a newspaper template or a blank page. Choose page size and columns to match your distribution. Set margins and a baseline grid so type aligns across articles, and create master pages for recurring headers and footers. Import your text and place images with appropriate wrap. Once you link text boxes, articles will flow automatically across columns and pages. Make sure to name layers for artwork, text, and ads so edits stay organized as you build each page. Next, focus on consistent typography and visual hierarchy using paragraph and character styles. This saves time when adjusting headline size or body leading. Use guides, columns, and snapping to align text frames and images precisely. Once placed, apply fitting options and crop inside Publisher rather than external tools when possible. Prepare color swatches and convert colors to CMYK for print to avoid surprises. Make sure to lock master elements so you can move articles without disturbing masthead or running headers. To finish, export a print-ready PDF using high-quality settings, include bleed and crop marks, and embed all fonts so layout remains consistent. Proofread in link text view and inspect image resolution. Aim for 300 dpi for photos and ensure color spaces are CMYK. If something goes wrong, images missing, fonts substituted, or layout shifts, relink assets from the original folders and use Publisher s-package/export controls. Then test print a single page. Once done, confirm printer specs and send the final file for press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.